Okay, so we've explored those streets of Baia Mare
We have.
from like those bustling high integration zones
Yeah.
to those hidden gem HILC streets.
Mm-hmm.
But now I'm thinking, like, what does all this spatial analysis stuff mean for the big picture?
Right?
Like, how can it actually shape the future of cities in general?
That's the big question, isn't it?
It is.
I think one of the most important takeaways for me is this power
Yeah.
of data-driven decision-making, you know?
It's like we're taking the pulse of a city.
Yes.
We're not just relying on gut feelings or anything anymore.
Right.
We're using real data
Mhm.
to understand how people actually move and interact
Yeah.
within the urban fabric.
And that's crucial because cities are facing some serious challenges.
Yeah.
These days, we've got population growth,
Mm-hmm.
traffic congestion,
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
climate change.
Yep.
And this need for, more equitable access to opportunities.
So we can't just keep building more roads
No.
or bigger buildings and hope for the best.
Right. We need a smarter,
Yeah.
more strategic approach.
I like it.
And that's where this spatial analysis comes in.
Okay.
It gives city planners a powerful tool
Yeah.
to identify areas of concern,
Mm-hmm.
to prioritize investments,
Okay.
and make more informed choices
Right.
about how to shape the urban landscape.
So it's not just about aesthetics
No.
or following the latest trends in architecture.
It's about creating cities that are truly livable,
Yeah.
resilient,
Mm-hmm.
and designed to work for everyone.
You got it. Another key takeaway for me
Yeah.
is that we can't think about transportation in isolation anymore.
No, we can't.
Spatial analysis really drives home the need for a more holistic and integrated approach.
I agree.
We can't just focus on cars or public transport in a vacuum.
No.
We need to think about how it all works together.
Yeah.
Biking buses, trains,
Everything.
everything.
It's about creating a seamless transportation ecosystem
Yeah.
where people have real choices.
Mm-hmm.
And we can reduce our reliance on,
Yeah.
those single occupancy vehicles.
Oh, those are the worst.
I know, that just clog our streets and pollute our air.
Totally. And this all ties into like that bigger concept of sustainability, right?
Absolutely.
We're talking about creating cities that are less core dependent, more
Yeah.
energy efficient,
Mm-hmm.
just generally healthier places to live.
It goes beyond just transportation, though.
Oh, really?
This spatial analysis can also help us make smarter decisions
Okay.
about land use,
Mhm.
economic development,
Uh-huh.
and even social equity.
Now, this is what I'm talking about, because a city isn't just about moving people around.
Yeah.
Efficiently, it's about creating a place where everyone has an opportunity to thrive.
Right. For example, remember those HILC streets we talked about?
I do.
Those well-connected, underutilized areas?
Yeah.
By pinpointing those areas,
Mhm.
city planners can actually prioritize investments in affordable housing,
Okay.
community centers, and other amenities
Yeah.
that could make a real difference in people's lives.
So it's about using data
Yeah.
to ensure that the benefits of urban revitalization reach everyone.
Yes, not just those who live in the most affluent neighborhoods.
And here's another important point, I think.
What's that?
Spatial analysis, it's not just about experts crunching numbers in some back room.
No, it's not.
It also highlights the need for public engagement,
Yes.
community involvement
That's
in the
right.
urban planning process.
It's so important because at the end of the day, cities are for people.
They are.
So the people who live in those cities
Yeah.
should have a say in how they're designed and developed.
Exactly, by sharing the findings
Yes.
of these analyses. Mm-hmm.
And soliciting feedback from the community,
Yeah.
city planners can ensure that their plans
Mhm.
actually reflect the needs and aspirations of the people who live there.
It's about creating a more collaborative and transparent process.
Yes.
One that builds trust and empowers residents to shape the future of their city.
I love it. So as we wrap up our deep dive into spatial analysis,
Yeah.
I think the key takeaway is this.
What's that?
These tools have the potential to help us create cities
Yeah.
that are not only more efficient
Mm-hmm.
and sustainable,
Uh-huh.
but also more equitable,
Yes.
livable,
Mm-hmm.
and truly designed with people in mind.
I couldn't agree more.
We're talking about using data and technology to create a better future
Yeah.
for urban spaces all over the world.
Mm.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling incredibly inspired.
Me too. It's exciting to think about how these spatial analyses will continue to evolve,
Yeah.
shape the cities of tomorrow.
And the best part is,
Yeah.
you don't need to be an urban planner to appreciate this stuff.
No, you don't.
Next time you're walking around your city,
Yeah.
pay attention to the streets. Can you spot the high integration zones?
Yeah. Can you find the HILC areas that are ripe for transformation?
Think about the places that make you feel energized and connected,
Yeah.
and the places that feel neglected or forgotten.
Mm-hmm.
Could spatial analysis help us understand why?
And how we might reimagine them.
This deep dive has definitely changed the way I see my own city.
Oh, that's great.
I'm noticing things I never even paid attention to before.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Like I've unlocked a secret code.
It is a secret code.
Yeah, it is.
And remember, you don't have to be a passive observer.
Right.
Share your insights with your local leaders.
Yeah.
Get involved in community planning initiatives.
Okay.
And let's work together to build cities that are truly vibrant,
Yeah.
equitable, and designed for everyone.
I'm ready to get started. Thanks for joining us on this incredible deep dive.
It was my pleasure.
Until next time, keep exploring
Yes.
and keep questioning the world around you. I will, you too.